Hi everyone, I'm Fabian. I'm a real estate investor here in Austin, and today I'm presenting you a new property I just acquired. So this house was built in the 60s. It's a 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. And now standing in front of the house, so what you can see is like with the front yard, what we're going to be doing is actually to redo the lawn. We're going to be removing also like this parking space that was installed here. We're going to keep the tree, of course, stain the fence to brighten it up. Basically, we're going to be removing also all the bushes, cluttering the front of the house. The house will also be painted, and most likely we'll also change the shingles. So now as I'm stepping more closer to the house here with the front patio, so we are thinking about restaining this really nice wood deck. And here with the driveway, it's in very good condition. So what we can do here is to basically fix all the cracks. But it's a very spacious driveway leading all the way to the back of the property. So now let's go and check it out inside. Please come in. So this is right here, the living space. So this house has actually the original hardwood floor. I was debating with my contractor whether to save the hardwood floor or to put like a new one on top. And we're actually thinking, to put like luxury vinyl planks instead. Reason being is like the hardwood floor has a lot of damage, maybe not so much here, but a lot of it in the bedrooms. And also, the previous owners, they put some like vinyl on top of the hardwood floor, and we're not really sure about the condition of the hardwood floor underneath. So it would be really difficult to fix or find some new pieces since this is the original one built in the 60s. We're going to remove all the popcorn ceiling. We're going to be also fixing some of the holes, patching everything, changing the baseboards, and also changing all the windows. So these are like the original, I think, in aluminum, so we're going to change them for vinyl. And of course, we're going to repaint the whole place to brighten it up. So now we are standing here in the kitchen. It's also an original kitchen with all cabinets. And here we have a range. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove everything. We're going to gut out the kitchen and replace all the cabinets. We're going to remove also the soffit on top. So this way we can free up more space for the new cabinets. And also the goal here is going to be to extend this countertop below the window. We're going to remove this fridge, which definitely takes too much space for like a smaller fridge, not as deep, and push that fridge closer to here so we can have additional cabinets on top and also at the bottom and more counter space for cooking. Alright, so now we're standing in the bathroom. It's only one bathroom, so I've been thinking about how to maximize the space here in case a family is going to buy this property and there's only one vanity. And so unfortunately, we're going to remove all the cabinet space in order to open up more space and have here dual vanity with a new cabinet, new countertop. We're going to gut out everything. We're going to remove all the tiles, the wood paneling, the old fixture, the old tub, the old toilet, and we're going to replace it with new items. Obviously, this is a great feature to have this window, so we're going to replace it with a window with a frost glass, and we're going to retile everything in a different design all around it. We're going to keep the tub just in case, family with a kid wants to, like a bath, or if they have pets, they can use the tub as well. This is going to be a full demo, and we're going to redo this entire bathroom, so can't wait to see the results. Now we're moving into the biggest bedroom. I wouldn't call it a master bedroom because it doesn't have direct access to the bathroom, but still it's the biggest one. And so here it's going to be very straightforward. As I mentioned earlier, we're going to be redoing the flooring by putting like vinyl plank, luxury vinyl plank. We're going to be changing all the windows, and we're going to change all the trims. Obviously, all this wood paneling is going to go. Not sure about what we're going to find behind it, but most likely, we're going to have to reinstall insulation and as well sheetrock the walls and paint it. So it's a pretty good size of a bedroom. Most likely, we're going to put also a ceiling fan with a light, just so it makes it a little bit bigger. All right, so now we are stepping into bedroom number 2. It's going to be same thing, than the first bedroom, very straightforward, where we're going to be installing luxury vinyl plank on the floor. We're going to be changing the windows, the trims, and also removing the wood paneling. Same thing, not sure what we're going to find behind it. Hopefully, there's still a good sheetrock. And then, once that's installed, we're going to repaint it, most likely in a very bright white, and also change the fixture. So both of these bedrooms, they do have like a walk-in closet, a good size, but we're going to be changing also all the casing and the doors as well. So we're going to be doing the same thing with installing the new vinyl plank, and we're going to be removing all the paneling and put also new sheetrock. We're going to repaint also the walls, and we're going to change also this window. Very straightforward. It's a cute little room facing the street with also like a little closet space, which is great, for organization. All right, so now we're moving into the backyard with the wooden deck. So it's in pretty good condition. We're going to be actually like power washing it. We're going to be staining it. And here what we can see is actually a shed. So this shed has been used for different purposes, but we're going to remove it completely so we can free up more space since it's blocking the view from the kitchen. And here there's already a good cover on top of the patio, which we can save. And we're just going to be changing also some of the gutters, the downspouts. And we are basically facing a large backyard, which is a very good size. It needs some care. As you can see, there's a fire pit we're going to be removing. There's a dog house in the back we're going to be removing. We are keeping, of course, the old trees, but we're basically removing the chain link fence, and we're going to be installing a new fence in the back and staining it also the same color than the neighbor's fence, and also the same thing on the left side of the yard. So this was going to be a great space for the family if they have a pet or kids. It's going to be a great entertainment space. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, I hope you'll have a great day. I'm Fabian, I'm an investor here in Austin, and I would like to show you today our new property. We're going to start the demo very soon. So this was a house actually built in the 60s. Got living family room here. We're going to remove all the popcorn ceiling. So now we are in the kitchen, and like what we want to plan, sorry, that's good. Pretty good size of a bedroom. Most likely we're going to put also a ceiling fan with a light, just so it makes it a little bit bigger. And that's Enjoy your day. Let's do it again.